Hi, this is Prashant Kumar CA, recently qualified. Hello.
ते तू स्वतःच विचार.
Yes, sir.
हॅलो
Hello.
रेखा
All right. So shall we start?
Yes, sir. Okay. Ready?
Where is the chat mode? Let me see the chat mode. Chat mode. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
All join. How many? Something out.
It's 23.
Already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Quite a lot. Okay. So more than 16 people are there. You're all welcome to this session. And this has been kept with the sole intention that to I go out of my 30 years experience in getting job and leaving jobs and changing jobs, and especially for youngsters. Okay. So I have also a list of the questions raised by the students, and you are also welcome to write the questions here as well. So I will start with the questions which have been asked here first. So there is a, I will not take the names of the people, but no harm, of course. Sanat is asking, want to know the opportunities in the field of forensic accounting and fraud examination. Okay. So can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me? Reply please. Yes. Okay, great. And I'm presuming that all of you are CA freshers between 0 to 2 years experience. Okay. Kajal, if Kajal and Akshita, if you're not able to hear, then check your own instrument because all others are able to hear. So this session is only for the people who are between 0 to 2 years experience. And first I am going to answer the questions received in advance. As far as background is concerned, you all know that I am CA, CMA, CS, LLB. Okay. CA of 1980. I'm not spending time on my introduction because most of you might be knowing it. And I'm a Limca record holder, 30 years spent in corporates. 30 years spent in corporates. Kajal, you will have to check yourself because others are able to hear. Okay. So I cannot help you on your instruments. Kajal and Akshita, please check your own computer. Others are able to listen. Here. Okay. Only thing I can do is let me switch off my AC. So if AC noise is making a problem, that much I can solve. All right. Let me accept the people in waiting room. Where are those waiting room? Admit. अरे यार ये क्या 644C some नाम से है. That's not correct. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Are you okay? Yeah. Yes. Now I'll okay. So Prafulla, your questions I'll deal with, and there is no need to ask private questions. Ask direct questions. Okay. Okay, Akshita, I'll wait for a few minutes. Fix it. Fix it. Not a problem. Fix your problem. In the meantime, I'll do some arrangement to get you something.
So actually, they're asking about number of items. They're taking basis on the number of items. Can we?
In the meantime, this is my introduction. Nowadays, I am fact.
Yeah, this is. Okay, sir. Continue.
Share screen. Share screen here. So in the meantime, I am giving you my introduction. Can you see my screen showing the introduction? Just
Yes,
say yes in the chat mode if you are able to see it. Okay. I hope you can see it. Okay. You can see the screen. Okay, fine. So this is Ram Mohan Bhave staying in Sion Chunabhatti, Mumbai. Currently a very dangerous area because Dharavi is near to us. And I hope this we come out of the corona very fast. And the next issue is that this is my contact number, WhatsApp number. Anytime you want to have some guidance from me, always WhatsApp me, not an issue. Every time I'm not able to talk because I give too many lectures. Then my email ID is mohanbhave2@gmail.com, but I hardly see emails. Okay, so go by WhatsApp. I have 41,000 Facebook friends and 81,000 connections. So any company you call for interview, please let me know. I'll find out a reference for you. I'll find out a reference for you, and then I'll try to help you out. Okay, because I always helps. What should I do? I help. You are my child's age, or maybe lesser. My son itself is 36 years old. Now, even in LinkedIn, I have so many connections both in India and overseas that you can. Qualification, BCom of 76, all of you are not born. LLB of 81, I don't think most of you are born. CE of 1980, ICW 84, Company Secretary 87. Oh. Mergers Acquisition 2000. SAP. SAP certified. IFRS 2009. Then the Brompton Greaves, Mofatlal, Blue Star, Foundation Software USA. I'm brought up in Nasik, but settled in Mumbai from 97. But then I went to America, then came back, then joined Reliance, then joined Gammon India, and then joined Mittal's Group. And the last 10 years, I have been into the consulting and training of IFRS and valuation. That's about all. Okay. Now, I'm sure all of you are on mute. Then only everybody can hear. If anybody is not in mute, we will have a problem to deal with it. Okay. Now, having said that, let me take the questions. Where is the question? The question is here. Okay. Questions are here. Yeah. So, Sanat is asking, want to know about opportunities in the field of forensic accounting and fraud examination. Excellent opportunities. Forensic audit, excellent opportunities, mainly in big fours and in the banking sector also. Banking sector are giving lot of assignments to the people in big four and some of the other firms. So anybody interested in forensic audit? Yes, there is a big demand. The number of vacancies are not many, but the number of people who understand forensic audit are so less that supply of the people is very less. So the answer, Sanat, is that opportunities in the field of forensic accounting are mainly in big four, and they are having a good demand because the supply is less. So Sanat, do you have any query further? If not, I am going to the next query. Okay. The next query is, I hope Shivani and Vaidehi, you are recording the lecture so that later on we can put it into the YouTube for the benefit of the people. All right. Then Kajal Sampath is asking how to find a job with education and career gap and age above 30. See, first of all, age above 30 doesn't matter. Okay, age above 50 will matter. Age above 30, there are jobs available. So don't worry about career gap. Education, I presume that you are CA because this session is for CAs. Okay. But career gap, not to worry. Age above 40, 30, not to worry. Unless you are age above 50, not to worry. So age above 30, please WhatsApp me your biodata. I will help you. Which city you are from, I need to know because I mainly can help Mumbai and Pune students. Okay. But if you are from not from those cities, then it's a separate issue. I'll find out how I can help you. Okay. But don't worry about career gap. We had one girl called Poonam. She had a big career gap, but Citibank called her and now she's doing very well. She is in SaaS and she had worked in 16 countries. So don't worry about it. Okay. The next query is from Shruti. Any particular course required to do during lockdown? Two simple courses you should do. One is IFRS, diploma in IFRS, and second, you should do valuation. Okay. These two courses you do, then your job opportunities are very high. And forensic audit also is in demand, but provided you want to go to Big Four. Sachin Pai, job opportunities amidst coronavirus, yes, job opportunities have been reduced, no doubt about it. Okay, but if we are smart enough, then we can still find a job even during coronavirus because the jobs are available to those who can find out. And who can find out? Three people can find out. Person one who can find out is that the person who has an excellent CV. Second, the person who can find out job is who is smart in giving interviews. And third, who can find out is one who the ability to get the interview calls. Now, in all three respects, I can help you. Anybody needs help, do contact me. Some of you might have attended my GMCS lectures. There I used to teach same subject called how to get a good job, smart interview, and ability to get interview calls. So those who have joined this webinar, please continue to remain in the WhatsApp group. If you are continuing in the WhatsApp group, then I will keep on solving your queries and help you. Then I am asking you, checking the next query, Naveshri, how to get a job? How to get a job is simple. You have jobs available overseas. You have available jobs in Big Fours. You have available job in CA firm. You have available jobs in KPO, stroke shared services. You have available jobs in banking, and you have available jobs in manufacturing and service industry, and your jobs available in MNCs. Now, how to get a job, where to get a job, apply to these places and you will get a job, provided you have excellent CV, smart interview giving techniques, and ability to get interview calls. Okay. Next, Bhavna Arora says, I want to make a profession in teaching and want to be a faculty in ICAI. Bhavna, how to become faculty in ICAI? I do not know because you have to be in touch with some central council member. Then he can guide you because there teaching in ICAI, there is a lot of competition because many people want to teach in ICAI. But you want to otherwise teach into the, you want to be in teaching field, please join me. I don't know from which city you are. I am also into teaching. I give 200 lectures per year for last 10 years. And I have a LIMCA book of record. So please contact me, send me CV. Then we come to Sagar. How to discuss salary as a fresher in COVID situation. As a fresher in COVID situation, how to discuss salary? You should say the salary which is normally what you are expecting. What should you be normally expecting? depends upon company to company. So you tell me the name of the company and I will tell you. Please don't write private questions, Sanat. Write publicly. Okay. And forensic audit career, I already explained, you joined later. So read the YouTube recording later on. Okay. Or if time permits, then I will answer you. Coming back. So coming back, important thing, how to discuss salary. Suppose I am wanting to join let's say Big Four. Now the Big Four salary for a person who has passed in first or second attempt should be around 8 lakhs. Provided, of course, you are able to give excellent interviews. Otherwise, expect 5 to 6 lakhs. Now, in Corona situation, if somebody says that we cannot offer you more, tell them that if you cannot offer more, then we should keep aside the Corona situation because market has not come down. Okay. So salary discussion, be strong. If somebody says that I cannot offer you that much salary, take the job, but then find another job post-Corona. There is no need to be sympathetic about our employers because employers are also not sympathetic. Okay. So discuss the salary straight away. This is the market rate and I deserve this much. And I told you the range. Big Four, 8 lakhs. If you're within first, second attempt, 5-6 attempts, then ask for 5-6 lakhs. Industry depends. If you are A-class industry like Reliance doesn't pay so high because Reliance brand itself gives you high valuation. So you can check the type of salaries available in individual organization under the website glassdoor.com. And if you don't get this website, then please write to me that this company, how much should I expect the salary? Okay. Then we go to Purvi Jain. How to enter stock trading avenue with no prior experience in that field. Array, if you need to know how to deal stock trading, of course, we are discussing jobs for 0 to 2 years. So stock trading is not a relevant issue here. Nevertheless, I'll tell you, if you need to learn how to do trading in shares, contact me separately. Me and my wife both deal in shares. Rather, she deals in share and she is expert. She will guide you. But otherwise, you can go to Google and you can find some of the very good YouTube links. There is a guy called Ashish Khandari, and there is a guy called, there are two guys actually who have very good YouTube postings on how to deal in shares. So you have to read the balance sheets, you have to see what are the rights and bonus issues, etc. coming up, etc. Sai Krishna, can I get any vacancies in CA firm? Yes, there are many vacancies in CA firm because currently bank audits are going on and a lot of people have got bank audits and they don't have the people who are working. Ravi Kumar, for getting job, we need to practice IFRS like CA final exam or just reading the theory is sufficient. Reading theory is never sufficient. Theory reading has killed our generations. We must understand conceptually and analytically. I know many CAs who have passed CA with good marks, even good marks in strategic financial management, but they come to me, I take them to do the assignments on valuation, but they cannot work on Black and Scholes model. They say, I know only formula. So theories have killed us. They are of no use. Abhinav Sharma, should you inquire about interviews which are kept on hold due to lockdown or should you start afresh? Answer is both. You should start afresh also and you should inquire about the interviews kept on hold also. Because sometimes by mistake also they might have forgotten. It happens because everybody is working from home. Some of the coordination within the organization is missing. Like in my own company, there are 10 people. Their coordination is not perfect due to work from home. So please ask, whatever is kept on hold, ask them straight away. When can I join? Can I start working from home? Why it is still on hold? Can you help me out? And I would like to do work from home. Please tell me how do I join? And also start afresh. So do both. Kaushik, job opportunity in current scenario? Yes, job opportunities are less, but more than that, salaries are less. Jobs are there, salaries are less because the employers feel that people cannot give their best based on work from home. So the salaries are less. So my advice to you is take the job, whatever you get. Don't unnecessarily make too many expectations unless you are a rank holder of first attempt. All right. Now I go to the queries asked here. Okay. Let me go sequentially. Yeah. Okay. Now here I am finding Manoj asking how to make career in valuation. Valuation career, there is a 6 days course. So please contact me, Manoj. We will send you the details of the valuation course. There you will study the practical examples and case studies on how to do valuation. Based on that, you will be able to do a career. And if you find further difficulty, I'll help you. All of you, in fact, I will request you to send your CV. Okay, if you want. Then Prafulla is asking, given the market scenario, will we as a fresher have to satisfy ourselves for a lower package in the industry? Arey yaar, current market scenario today is Corona. Some other, even when I passed my CA, people said there was a recession. Then in 2008 also there was a recession. So some of the other problems keep coming. So should you accept a lower package? Yes, you should accept whatever package you get, but start the job. In fact, there are many unfortunate people who are not getting any package at all. Okay. And that does not mean that if you have satisfied or sacrificed a proper package, which as a CA you deserve, after Corona is over, start applying elsewhere. There is no need to worry about it. All right. So let's go to the next question. There is no need to be this thing. Okay. Want to know how to make the career in the field of valuation? Manoj, I already told. Do the course. Opportunity in credit analysis. Yes, Kajal. Have you applied CARE, CRISIL, ICRA? They have the opportunities in credit analysis. Abhishek is saying, I have taken 11 attempts to clear. How can I find a job? First of all, remove from your mind you took 11 attempts. 11 attempts means you have got much more knowledge than the first attempt. So are you able to reply all the interview questions? Focus on that. If you want standard interview questions and how to answer them smartly, read through my article, Art of Giving Interviews and Art of Preparing CV. For example, they will ask you a question that, do you know accounting standards? So you should say yes, very much. Then they will say, which accounting standard you know best? So you say, for example, borrowing cost. Then ask you, tell us that, explain the borrowing cost standard. If you can explain it well, then they will not worry about your 11 attempts. So don't worry. Once you start, see, the problem will be how to find a job, how to get an interview call. That is difficult. And I'll help you there. But is your CV a smart CV? If your CV is a smart CV, fine. Rather, world-class excellent CV. If it is not, get it done. If you want any guidance, WhatsApp me your CV. If your CV is excellent, and if you're good at giving smart interview, and if you have ability to get interview calls, 11 attempts do not matter. Will ACCA affiliation help in getting the age over IFRS certification? Over means what? See, all ACCA jobs, people which are at least within India, IFRS certification is enough. IFRS certification means diploma in IFRS by ACCA London. Okay, let us be clear. Proper ACCA full course you want to do that only if you want to go to Gulf. Otherwise, I don't think ACCA affiliation is required because your CA is more than enough. Okay. Then you want job opportunities in banking sector. Cleared CA finally 6 attempts, no issues. Press kar diya hai, excellent. Now you are saying that Vivek, you want the jobs in banking sector, not an issue. But banking sector, what do you want? Would you like to go into the Ind AS implementation of banking sector, then you have job. Do you want a job in loan appraisal in banking sector? Then there are jobs. But if you are expecting investment banking or equity research, then there are no jobs for chartered accountants. Okay. So distinguish between CA and MBA finance. MBA finance are doing equity research, investment banking, etc. etc. CAs, according to me, are not capable to do that. So CAs should focus on loan appraisal, credit appraisal, Ind AS implementation in banks, etc. Those jobs are available. Okay. And if how are they available? We have to apply. Go to the websites of all the banks. There are 49 foreign banks in India. Go to their website and apply to all. Then I see Priyanka asking a question. What are the additional diploma courses I can do if I want to enter banking sector? Actually, banking sector के लिए course से ज़्यादा what you should do is you should see whether you can answer all the questions which are in banking area. Banking sector, can you answer all the questions? That is important. Okay. So, for example, repo rate, reverse repo rate. Can you answer? Or the Basel II norms, Basel III norms. Can you answer? That is more important, Priyanka. But for more tips, please contact me on WhatsApp. Job or practice, whichever one is better. Answer is simple. Practice means waiting period. Okay. So if you have three things in practice, one, you have a waiting period of 1 or 2 years. And there will be a fixed cost like rent cost. Are you able to bear that? Second criteria is that your family is not dependent so much on your earnings, because this waiting period may end up into having a financial loss for a few years. Okay. And third thing is, do you want to, being a girl especially, do you need to do work-life balance? Because you will have to look at the home also. If these three conditions are fulfilled, practice is better for you. Otherwise, I have worked in industry for 30 years. The drawbacks of practice are, one, you keep on doing same thing monotonous. Second, that in a practice, getting the clients and doing marketing to clients becomes a job by itself. Third, recovery is also a job. And fourth is that, practice gives you flexibility, but at the same time, if you don't get the clients, then there is a frustration. So freshers, unless there is some backup where some clients are already in hand, I think practice could be difficult, because it depends upon city and location. And also practice, you have to have one-stop shop. You should do everything. Don't say I'll do only GST, only income tax. At least have a tie-up partners if required. So by and large, money angle wise, in long term, job and practice can equalize. But job, you can change as much and take promotions. Practice, you can go for clients, but practice can be boring because it is monotonous. Rohit is saying CA cleared in 8 attempts. Can I get a job in the international tax? I'm a fresher. International taxation job nobody is getting unless you have done an articleship in international tax. Where you in Rashmin Sanghvi and Company, Sudipto Parikh and Company, Bansi Mehta and Company, or Big 4, Big 5, Big 6, Big 7, RSM BDO, then only think of job in international taxation. Otherwise, forget it. Whether you are in 8 attempts doesn't matter. During the articleship, have you done international taxation? I have tried to help the people who have wanted international taxation but have no articleship experience in international taxation. I could not help them. They did not get the job. I mean, they don't get even a trainee job. Prashant, there is no need to write privately. We are free. Most of the companies are taking on number of attempts. How can we answer about the question in an interview? Simply smile. Simply smile. The very fact that they have given you an interview call and called you, so not to worry. Okay. If they were so much serious about number of attempts, they would not have called you for interview itself. So not to worry. Now that you have called them, you should take it smilingly. If an interviewer like me says, I have taken 5,000 interviews in my career, okay, and I mean more than 5,000, and recruit 10,000 interviews, you can say. Some of them were final interviews of 5 minutes, but around 3,000 people I have recruited, especially in Reliance, I recruited 1,500, Reliance Infocom. Okay, so if somebody has already called for interview, knowing very well how many attempts you have, he is ready to take you. So give a smart interview. If he probes you saying, why did you take so many attempts? You say, look, life is always a learning, and give a smile. क्या करेंगे? होता है. Look forward. Okay, and just leave the subject. Don't analyze, discuss, go into the depth of reason. Don't try to say I was sick and my mother was sick and my father was sick and I had a financial problem and X, Y, Z. Kuch mat bolna. Any odd or weak questions where we are in the interview, don't reply. Smile out. Okay, smile out. Then how to join WhatsApp group? I have given you my number 9167446744. You write to that. I will add you to that group. But my people are already adding if you have filled up Google form. Okay, Vaishnavi Kela. What should I do in order to get a job in Mumbai after clearing CA final in 6th attempt? After 2 years gap of post articleship, simple, make a world-class CV, make a habit to give smart interviews. Ask smart interview. See how you can give smart interview. If you need, you can do a telephonic practice with me. Okay, as to question and answer how you can give smart interview. You can send me your CV. So don't worry if you have done 6 attempts. Don't worry you have taken 2 years gap. Absolutely don't worry. Can you answer the questions? That is important. Can you show smartness? Can you show analytical skills? Can you show integrity? Can you show, what should I say? Smartness, analytical skills, integrity. Okay. Passion. सबसे अच्छा है passion. Okay. If you are passionate to get a job, you can answer any question. Somebody says, can you explain accounting standard? Yes. In fact, 6 attempt means you have studied everything 6 times. Not to worry. Actually, you should be able to answer every question. So, finance, accounting, costing, taxation. Take 4 subjects. All right. In those 4 subjects, write down 10 questions each. Which are the most likely question asked in the interview? If you're not getting them, write to me. I'll send you. And draft the replies of that. And practice yourself how to give the reply. But in order to draft the reply, you will have to have knowledge also. Now, Vashri, I am finding difficult to get a job. Cleared CA in January 2020. It has been almost 4 months. Since I have not got the job, will this gap affect the job? Will this gap affect the getting the job in good companies? You see, when I passed my CA, okay, I passed in first attempt and with rank. I was in Nasik, but I am talking 1980. So everybody said, once you pass CA, you will get job offers at home. So I waited at home waiting for job offers. No job offer came for 4 months. Then I started moving around. I took my Sunny, I remember that, and went to the Satpur Industrial Estate. And those days we didn't have email, etc. So I had taken a big bunch of my CVs. And like a newspaper, I was sending it on the counter of the reception saying, I am a CA, give me a job. And finally I got a job. So don't be ashamed of doing something which is needed. But if you need any help, please write to me, send me your CV, I shall help you. Okay. Jobs are not that there are no jobs, but people are cautious that during Corona, let us not appoint the people because there will be a recession and then how will we pay the salaries of these guys? So they are scared. But if you prove yourself to be excellent in the interview, then there is no issue. But the point is, are the interview calls coming? That's the question. That is the question. But in order to get the interview calls coming, what have we tried? I'll give you an example. Suppose you have put your CV on Naukri.com. Naukri.com is saying that everyone in the waiting room. Waiting room में कौन है भाई अभी? Anybody in the waiting room here? एक minute, देखने दो मुझे. Admit. Okay. There's somebody in the waiting room. Anybody else in the waiting room? No. Okay. Fine. Okay. So, if you're not getting a job, you should say, I'm not getting interview calls. Don't say I'm not getting a job. And if you're not getting an interview call, is your CV put on Naukri.com? And when you put your CV on Naukri.com, Naukri.com works like a search engine. And any employer who wants to appoint somebody, he uses search engine and says that, give me all the CVs which have got a word called consolidation. Or give me all the CVs which contain a word called IFRS or Ind AS or forensic audit. So do you have the list of some top 20 words in demand? If you don't have, I'm going to put that into the WhatsApp group. So join the WhatsApp group. You will get top 20 words in which job is found. Sharad Chandra is saying most of the companies are taking on number of attempts. How can we answer about that question? Don't answer the question. Say it was part of life. Okay, I did my best, and smile and leave the question. Okay, they can't say, oh, do you mean that you're not studied? Forget it. No analysis. What happened, happened. Part of life. Or you can say, actually, I am happy that a few more attempts ensure that I become very pakka in all my subjects. It's good that, and that is the reason CA examination and CA qualification has a great market value, and we are proud of our institute. Okay, because we are not like in MBA, wholesale everybody passes, and therefore we do not know which MBA is good and which MBA is bad. Whereas if it is a CA, he has to be good. I have taken IFRS online. I want to learn, but interested in credit manager. How to go about? Learn about the ECL model, IFRS 9. Okay, and then work on it. How to join your WhatsApp group? Send me a WhatsApp. My number I have given you, 9167446744. Mention about today's webinar and say add me to the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. Give me some tips on how to clear CA with rank. Are Priyanka, this webinar is for CA past people. So Abhi, why do you want the tips for getting rank? You already passed. If you are not already passed and you want the tips, contact me separately. All right. I see here Yuga along with CA, I am advocate also. Wow. So which field should be better to explore both the fields? Please reply me. I am from Pune. Are Baba, CA is CA. CA is CA. Advocates are too many. So there is a demand supply. Too many supply of advocates. Demand come. Whereas CA, of course, is a difficult exam. So I would always recommend you to take CA. But if you feel that your father or your family, somebody is already advocate and they have lots of cases, then it's a separate issue. Okay. So Yuga, contact me separately beyond this. Utsav, how do we get a job in business strategy? Simple. Learn valuation, learn IFRS, and learn business strategy. Okay. So business strategy, how many books you have read? Have you read the book called, what is that? A to Z, Gurus of Business Strategy. Read that book. Also read that book called Michael Porter, Business Strategy. Then read the book called Benchmarking, McNair. Read the book Balance Scorecard by Kaplan and Norton. Read the book Execution Premium by McKinsey. Then you will be good at business strategy and you will be able to answer the questions on business strategy. And come to me for a mock interview. Okay. Navya, I'm getting interview calls, but they say we'll get back to you or a rejection email. Okay. If you are getting interview calls and they will, you are not getting interview calls. You are just getting calls asking your more details. That's all. That is not an interview call. So in order to get a call back telling you that this day on this occasion your technical and otherwise interview will be conducted In order to do that, what is happening is your CV is not getting
How
shortlisted.
can I use both the
CV
numbers
has to
and
get
use
shortlisted, then you must have the excellent CV. And how to do excellent CV? I have ensured that do I get more than 85 marks on Naukri.com where resume assessment is there? And if not, follow my article published in April 18 Vikasa Journal. I am going to put that article on the WhatsApp group. So don't worry about that. Go through that article, follow tips, and after that contact me. Okay. No, I want to ask about how can I use both the knowledge? I mean, in which job profile? Knowledge as a CA as well as advocate also. Okay, simple. How did I use my job as a CA and LLB? How did I use my job as a CA and LLB? I used my job as a CA and LLB because I was handling laws also. So ask your company wherever you are getting a job, you ask your company to give you not only finance and accounting, but also you tell them to give you the law work. So even when I was in Nasik, I used to ask company to give me the legal work. So they gave me excise law to handle. Then they gave me even MRTP Act to handle those days. Then I started doing Company Act compliance. Okay. Abhishek is asking, I am from Nagpur and organizations here are offering 35,000. Should I join? Yes, you should join. Because Nagpur doesn't have high scales. But provided organization means company or a CA firm. If it is a company, go ahead and accept. Okay. If it is a CA firm, I mean, I wonder they offer really 35,000. Company, then take it. Take it. Use it as a stepping stone. Simple. Okay. Because what you see, till you are unemployed, people look at you, oh, why is he not getting a job? But once you're employed, you can jump easily. Let me tell you, in my 30 years career, I changed 7 jobs. And though my first job was 10 years and 6 years, after that, I changed the job every 3 years. And you'll surprise, why did I change? One, job growth. It was a promotion also. And let me be frank, I changed the job for salary at least double or 2.5 times. So you should not be ashamed to change the job, provided you are getting a position where they don't tell you to do anything against governance, principles. Check that. Otherwise, real estate companies are really dangerous. So be very careful. Never compromise on principles. Be strict. All right. Yes. Further questions, please. What is the average pay for a CA fresher in mid-size firms? Mid-size firm means CA firms you are talking. 30,000. That is the mid-size firm range. And some are even joining at 25,000 because of Corona. I mean, today what's happening is the CA inter is getting 50,000, CA final is getting 25,000. My feeling is you can go and approach Kirtane Pandit and company and ask them how much can you ask, because they are much higher in the rank compared to overall mid-size. Because what is mid-size is a very big this thing. But mid-size means I would say which are not among top 10 of that city. Because big fours are already there everywhere. RSM and BDO and Sudipto Parikh are already there. Beyond that, which are the firms? So next 11 to 20 number, you should call them as mid-size. Am I clear, Manoj, in your question? Answering your question? Okay. Now, a lot of people have asked the questions. I would like people to ask more questions or any questions where you are not satisfied so far. Because I have this session 6:30 to 7:30. We started a little late, but compared to the expectations, the number of students joined and asking questions is reasonably satisfactory. Not, of course, it always happens that so many people register and so many join. So please ask further questions. I am open for another 5 minutes. After that, we are going to close because I'm not here to explain the process, okay, how to get a job. It is more question answer interaction. If you want me to hold any other webinar on any other topic in more detail, let me know. Not an issue. Send me WhatsApp on my number at any time on this. Okay. But if you don't get a job, I am there to help you. At 63, I'm more or less retired. I'm enjoying helping the youngsters, and feel free to contact me. I stay in Mumbai. After lockdown, you can meet me also. But till lockdown, deal on WhatsApp. Phone calls, I don't take too much because in a day I get more than 100 calls. So I generally don't talk on phone. But if you really feel that you are in a very risky position, then yes. When will you conduct the webinar for CA final students? Or if you already conducted, please share the link. Priyanka, I had held a webinar for CA final students long back, but that has become outdated. So we will declare one more session. So I'm advising my admin, Shivani and Vaidehi, arrange a lecture for CA final student. What should be the subject? How to pass CA final. Is that so, Priyanka? You want a webinar on how to pass CA final? Priyanka, please reply in the chat mode. Okay. So I'll tell Vaidehi and Shivani to arrange a lecture on how to pass CA. Yes. Any other questions? And Priyanka, meantime, you can always phone me, please. You can phone me tomorrow, anytime. Oh, with a rank. Okay. Fine. Then you phone me tomorrow because everybody is not dying for rank. Akanksha Goyal, what are the opportunities to work as a freelancer during this COVID situation? There are people who are giving the opportunities for doing bank audits, or we are giving opportunities to do valuations. But the only thing is, Akanksha, these freelancer opportunities currently are coming at a very low cost. I have 3 freelancers who have passed already CA and work from home situation. We pay them only 10,000 per month. So freelancing opportunities currently at least are not coming at the high price unless you have some special expertise. Can you do Black and Scholes model valuations? Then somebody will pay you more. But if you are a general CA, then don't expect more than 10,000 for freelance. Are you clear, Akanksha? And 10,000, many CAs say, oh my God, it's too bad, too low, blah, blah, blah. Yes, questions, please. We are waiting for questions. Once your questions is over, can you tell me more about the valuation course here? It is 6 days, 9 to 6, continuous batch, starting 16th May, right? Online. Or weekend batch, that is 16, 17, 23, 24 and 30, 31 May. Fees 10,000 plus GST. If you are 3 years old member, then you can appear for registered valuers exam also. Are you clear, Mr. Rohit? No, not Rohit. Somebody else asked that. Okay. Who asked about valuation? Manoj. Manoj, you contact me separately, additionally. Give me your number. Okay. So I'll give you, or send me WhatsApp about valuation course. Where is the art of giving interview? I'll put on the WhatsApp group, Rohit. Otherwise, it is available on April 18, Vikasa magazine. Art of giving it to the art of preparing CV. But in that, a lot of interview skills have been written. But I'll write a full-fledged article for this one. Art of giving it. Yes. Please ask the questions further. No questions? Any questions? Please ask. If not, we will conclude the session. Like they count in Antarikshayan, like that I'll start counting. 10. Okay, Vaishnav is asking, with no practical experience in Indes, where should I apply for statutory jobs? Statutory audit jobs are even otherwise available, even if you have no practical experience in Indes. Do you have a practical experience in doing audit? If yes, then you'll still get a job. Not an issue. Arey, Vaishnavi, are you talking about big four or small firms? Mid-size firm. Mid-size is a very vague word. If mid-size firm is telling that you want an Indes experience, what you do is, you know the accounting standards under the previous accounting standards. Are you aware of them? Are you aware of previous accounting standard? Yes. Then what you do is, you read the comparison of previous accounting standard and Indes, and wherever you have difficulty in understanding whatever is the difference, you contact me and take my guidance. And then when you go for the interview, say that I know practically Indes. Okay. Now Giriraj is asking, okay, Vaishnavi, you can call me later otherwise. Can a CA get into teaching? He can. Go and approach JK, he will give you, or AJ Next. Are you from Mumbai, Giriraj? Giriraj, you are from which city? Pune. So go and approach Rekha Joshi madam, or that Jawar, or Excellence Academy, or Agrawal. There are so many classes in Pune. Tell them that you want to teach. So they will say what? Give me half an hour clip of teaching, video recorded clip. Have you done that? If you have done that, and if it is excellent teaching, then they will give you the opportunity. But if your VC video recorded tape is bad and it doesn't show any good teaching, then you will not get. Merit based selection hota hai bas. A job in R&R profile, is it advisable to accept? Akanksha, there was one guy who rang me up and he said, I am getting a job in ICICI. Should I accept or not? I said, suppose you don't accept, what are you going to do? He said, I will apply for other jobs. I said, if you apply for other job, when do you think you will get the next job? He said, I'm not sure, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay. So I said, so till you get a job, what are you going to do? He said, I sit at home and watch the TV. I said, then taking ICICI job is better than watching the TV. So I accept it. Same answer to you, Akanksha. R2R profile, is it advisable to accept? Go ahead, not an issue. Barabar. See, first 2 years, whatever profile you do, that goes lifelong. But first job you take and change within 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, within 1 year, and go to your profile which you want to go for, then nothing to worry. So first job हाथ में लेना किस लिए जरूरी है? Because then you become a strong negotiating position. Remember, you have to get into strong negotiating position. I used to interview the people, somebody who says, sir, currently I don't have a job. Okay, I am unemployed. I'll first start suspecting something must be wrong with him. So if many people have not selected him, why should I select him? But the moment you are already in some job, you get a confidence and you start with some base. Even if suppose somebody gives you a job of 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, then you can start negotiating for 5 or 6 lakhs. So having the job in hand, whatever is the profile, increases your negotiating ability, builds up your confidence, and when you apply for the job, you can now decide to choose a profile which you want and you like. Whichever profile you like, that depends. If you want to know which profile is good, contact me separately, Akanksha. Akanksha, you are from which city? Delhi. Okay, okay, not a problem. So Delhi, there are a lot of jobs. Okay, any further questions? Please ask. Any questions further? Don't worry, there are a lot of jobs. CA is a very strong degree. Work with confidence. But CA का problem क्या है? Communication skills. Then our confidence is gone down. Because हम लोग इतने बार एग्जाम में मार खाते हैं, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस ही चला जाता है. ऐसा मत करना. Behave confidently. Confidence आने के लिए, I'll tell you what I learned. I do swimming. Swimming gives me a lot of confidence. क्योंकि स्विमिंग में क्या है, दो ही चांसेस है, या तो कॉन्फिडेंस में स्विमिंग करो या डूब जाओ. डूबने का तो है ही नहीं. अभिषेक, यूएसए में there are no jobs for CAs. Indian CAs have no job in CAs. I know so many girls who married the software engineers and they went to USA and they have not got jobs. Finally, they did the MBA in that country and then they got the jobs. And MBA के लिए they spend not less than 40 to 50 lakhs. The only chance to go to USA is join a big four here and then do CPA with US GAAP and then apply for transfer in big four at America. Freelancing job in COVID situation, where to find? I mean, what you have to do is you'll have to write to various CA firms which are into bank audit. So whichever CA firms are there in your area, Giriraj, you are from which city? So whichever area you are staying in, find out the list of practitioners from the website and apply to them. Oh, you are from Pune. Pune has got more than 700 practicing CAs. So you write to GD Apte, you write to Kartanay Pandit, you write to Sudipto Parekh, you write to Jajodia, you write to even our Pune branch chairman. You want to, Ekta wants to start her own firm, then should I start or should I gain experience under CA firm and then start? Don't wait for taking experience. Start your own firm immediately. Start your own firm immediately. Only thing, don't spend on fixed cost. Don't create a office with a rent. Start, if possible, start the office in your home. Because fixed cost create करेगी problem होता है. There is no need to gain experience. Because the secret of doing a good practice is simple. Get clients. Now you will think, oh, I don't have a knowledge how to do that job. Don't worry. Anytime you are stuck up in the knowledge front, please call me anytime. I'll give you the knowledge. And if you want too much knowledge from me, then we'll work on commercial terms. But don't worry about knowledge. I don't have experience. How do I carry practice? Jump. Start the practice. Are you clear, Ekta? Hello, Udaipur madam. Are you clear? Okay, Ekta is not replying. So we move forward. Okay. Yes, Ekta, you will succeed. Any further questions? Please ask. All right, so let's count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We close. Thank you. We conclude for today. Shivani and Vaidehi, please do recording and put on YouTube. The channel name is rammohanbhave.com. rammohanbhave.com. And put link of YouTube recording in the WhatsApp group. Bye bye. Best wishes.